Welcome to this quick Git and GitHub crash course. In this video, we're going to dive into some basic commands that will help you get started with version control using Git and GitHub. First things first, what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system, which means it tracks changes to your code over time, so you can easily revert back to previous versions if something goes wrong. GitHub is a cloud-based service where you can store your Git repositories online, collaborate with others, and share your code with the world. Let's start by creating a new Git repository. Open your terminal and navigate to your project folder. To initialize Git, use the command git init. This creates a hidden Git folder in your directory, turning it into a Git repository. Once your repository is initialized, you need to start tracking your files. Use the command git add to add all your files to the staging area, which tells Git that you want to include them in your next commit. Next, let's save our changes with a commit. The commit command in Git is like taking a snapshot of your project at that moment. To commit your changes, use git commit m your commit message here. The m flag allows you to add a message that explains what changes you made. It's important to write meaningful commit messages to keep track of your project's history. Now, let's move on to connecting your local repository with GitHub. Go to GitHub and create a new repository. Once that's done, you'll be given a URL for your new repository, which you'll use to link it to your local Git repository. To connect your local repository to GitHub, use the command git remote add origin https://github.com/your username/your repo.git. Replace the URL with the one for your own repository. Finally, let's push your local changes to GitHub. Use the command git push origin main to upload your code to GitHub. The U flag tells Git to remember the remote repository, so the next time you push, you can simply use git push without specifying the remote. If this is your first push, Git may ask for your GitHub credentials to authenticate. And that's it. You've successfully initialized a Git repository, committed your changes, connected to GitHub, and pushed your code online. Now, you can start collaborating with others, share your work, and keep your code safe in the cloud. Git and GitHub are powerful tools, and mastering them will make your coding workflow much smoother and more efficient. Happy coding!